In the realm of ultra-high-performance SUV tires, two giants stand tall: the Michelin Pilot Sport 4 SUV and the Goodyear Eagle F1 Asymmetric 6. Each boasts unparalleled precision and cutting-edge technology. But which one truly dominates the road? Let's dive into the ultimate showdown. In wet conditions, both tires exhibit exceptional capabilities. The Goodyear Eagle F1 Asymmetric 6 slightly outperforms the Michelin in wet braking, stopping at 39.1 meters versus 39.2 meters. However, the Michelin fights back with a marginal lead in wet handling, achieving an average speed of 58.5 kilometers per hour compared to Goodyear's 58.3 kilometers per hour. When it comes to wet circle tests and straight-line aquaplaning, Michelin again takes a slight edge, completing the circle faster and resisting aquaplaning more effectively. However, in curved aquaplaning, the Goodyear clinches a narrow victory. On dry roads, the battle remains fierce. The Goodyear Eagle F1 Asymmetric 6 excels in dry braking, stopping 0.2 meters shorter than the Michelin. Conversely, the Michelin Pilot Sport 4 SUV showcases superior dry handling, with an average speed slightly higher than the Goodyear. For those who clock high mileage, the Michelin Pilot Sport 4 SUV is the clear winner, offering a significantly longer lifespan. It can travel up to 35,865 kilometers before needing replacement, compared to 33,015 kilometers for the Goodyear. This makes the Michelin a more durable option for long-term use. In terms of noise, both tires perform equally, registering 70 decibels. This ensures a quiet and comfortable ride, regardless of your choice. When it comes to battery range for electric vehicles, an intriguing scenario unfolds. Despite the Goodyear Eagle F1 Asymmetric 6 having lower rolling resistance, it paradoxically consumes more energy. This makes the Michelin more energy efficient in practical use, offering better battery range. In summary, the Michelin Pilot Sport 4 SUV excels in mileage and energy efficiency, while the Goodyear Eagle F1 Asymmetric 6 shines in dry braking performances. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.